Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, as y'all can tell from the title, girl, we're eating empanadas, okay? So I have two just ground beef empanadas. This one that's got ground beef and cheese, and then this one is dulce de leche, y'all. That's gonna be the last one because that's sweet. And we have some chimichurri here, which I try to make. I can never make it as good as my mom's. But we're gonna try, girl. I don't know, I haven't tasted it yet. I don't know what it tastes like. And then obviously mayo ketchup, which is basically just ketchup and mayonnaise. We always eat empanadas with this also. And then we have a Dr. Pepper. Put it on the side there. This whole setup is a little wonky, but whatever. First, let's just try the regular empanadas. That's what they look like. They got ground beef. I put red peppers, green peppers, and boiled some eggs. Oh my gosh, so good. Let me see. Put some mayo ketchup on here. Oh, empanadas are so easy to make. And people are always like, oh my god, they're so good. I don't know how to make them. Like, y'all, trust me, you can make them. It's all about the discs, honestly. There's so many like different discs that you could buy, but if you buy the right ones, I use some Goya discs, but there's a few different ones that Walmart has, so I have to like show y'all a picture. Now let's try the chimichurri. Sorry, y'all, 1 second. We're gonna put it in here like that. Way better than what I have ever done before. I've tried to make it one time and I gave up because it was like I threw it all away because it was so nasty. Mm. Mm. Okay. I'm so glad that it's actually good. Like, what? I thought it wasn't going to be because usually my mom uses Italian parsley, I believe. But, yeah, we're going to do something weird. But I put Italian parsley because I did a Walmart order, pickup order. And I put Italian parsley, but they just gave me regular parsley. Oh. I'm mainly excited for the dulce de leche one, y'all, because I haven't made dulce de leche empanadas in a minute. And for the cheese one, I use the Chihuahua cheese, the Mexican cheese. That's like the best cheese you can use. Like for melting empanadas. I mean, empanadas. Quesadillas and stuff. Mm. Oh, yeah. I'm glad I like had the guts to make chimichurri because now I'm gonna make some milanesas. Not now, obviously. Maybe tomorrow. So good. I hope everybody's having a great day so far. I had to go this morning and do my fingerprints for DCF. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, y'all. Yeah. So I hope I get that. Oh. I literally just put ground beef. So I first sauteed the onions and the peppers. Put minced garlic in there as well, towards like the end after sauteing. Then put the ground beef. I like to use the 92, or is it 92 or is it 93.7? One of those. The lean ground beef because it's less fat, so it's not so oily. Um, and then what was I saying? I always forget. The ground beef, cook that, and I put 1 packet of sazon. Then I put a little bit of adobo, maybe like 1 tablespoon. No, yeah, 1 tablespoon, and garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, and that's pretty much it because the sazon and the adobo have salt, so you don't have to put salt. Mm. And like I said, I boiled some eggs, cut them up real small, threw them in the ground beef. Mm. Usually you can put, which I usually do, but I just couldn't get the freaking jar open. I know, y'all. I couldn't get the jar open, so I couldn't put no olives. I usually put green olives, cut those up really small. Mm. So good. Wow. I'm not gonna eat this ground beef one, but I've been craving something sweet, so I'm about to try the dulce de leche one. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god, did I put too much dulce de leche? Y'all. Mm. And I know that's so good because it's so warm. Dulce de leche, for those of y'all that don't know what it is basically caramel, but it's not. It's thicker. Like the real Spanish dulce de leche is thicker than caramel. Caramel is more like a, I don't know. It's like a watery consistent. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I have no words except for mm, mm, mm. I'm just mad that I didn't make enough of these because I only made like 4 of these dulce de leche ones because I wasn't sure like mm. I'm not sure if the kids are gonna try Geo. Probably will. Mm. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. This is so bad for me. This is so sweet. This is probably like, I don't even want to know how much calories is in here. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I need to start selling these again for real. Because I feel like a lot of people try to do different stuff with empanadas, and you can. You can. Eat more chicken. I just got a text message from Chick-fil-A. Y'all, I'm full. I am full. Well, I'm getting ready. What time is it? The kids will be here in maybe like 30 minutes. Sophia texted me, I'm hungry. Or the empanada's ready because I texted her earlier and told her. She's on the bus right now, but they're gonna be here maybe like 35, 40 minutes. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, y'all. Wait for the kids. They always love empanadas. Every time I make empanadas, they're always like, so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the kids to get here and oh, excuse me. And yeah, if you made it this far, thank y'all so much. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and once again, thank y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.